we see that the B2 Pro is packed in our standard flat square box, along with the accessories, the 30-watt fast charger, the USB-C cable, a screen protector kit, and the user's manual. Remember to keep wild in your journey with the B2 Pro. Now I have the ultra-thin rugged foam F150 B2 Pro in my hand. It comes with an enduring 10,000 mAh battery, which is able to support you as long as 46 days on extreme mode. That means you don't have to carry battery anxiety on you during your outdoor work, and you're free from the weight of an extra power bank in your backpack. Even after long hours of work, the 30-watt fast charge is able to fill the battery again quickly. However, with such a large battery capacity, the thickness of B2 Pro remains 40.9mm only. Efforts have been taken to adapt it to your hand so that it's a lot more comfortable to be held in hand and much easier to be put in your pocket. The iconic octagonal silhouette represents the robustness and protectiveness in the F150's design. The 6.8-inch screen offers you immersive visual enjoyment with the FHD Plus high resolution. The 1.1mm Corning Gorilla Glass is tough enough to withstand unexpected drops. On the poncho seats a 32-megapixel front camera, and on the back we see a 108-megapixel main camera and a 24-megapixel night vision camera. Compared to the previous version, B2 Pro has upgraded its algorithm for low light and shaky condition, leading to a sharper and clearer detailed expression of outdoor views, devoid of noise. What's more, all the cameras support underwater shooting, delivering a great convenience to your underwater work or exploration. And hey, does the camera simply remind you of something? The fact is, it is inspired by the style of an SUV's car front, paying tribute to their excellent performance in harsh environments. The camouflage pattern on the rear panel is afforded in two colors, the polar light and the sunlight. Showcase your different tastes. The B2 Pro rugged foam is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset and a 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. It is worth mentioning that an extended 12GB memory is also enabled by integrating ROM and RAM, realizing smooth interaction and fast loading when you're in need. Plus, the B2 Pro is updating to Android 14 soon, so that it is not just durable in hardware but also in software. F150 has consciously controlled the thickness of rugged foams, paid special attention to their visual style while promising a super protective function.